guys, welcome back to my channel.
What's up, dudes?
So today I have
Joey, Juliet,
and
Jimbo.
it's my dad, and these are my siblings. We're missing another one, but it's okay. So today, what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be making slime with our father. So, yeah, let's get started.
Hey.
So what we're doing is, I am not gonna be making the slime. He's gonna tell me what to do, and I'm just gonna do it. And then
we're here to help.
we're just here to help him. But really,
So I have to guess how to do it?
yeah, you're gonna guess how to do it, and then I'm just gonna do it for you. And then we're gonna be like, this is the slime my dad told me to do. So yeah. All right, get it? All right.
Got
So what do we put first?
The glue.
Yeah. Good job. Good job.
So we're gonna add our glue. This is white. And this is the second part that's really hard to guess. Yeah, kind of. Okay.
What's the second thing?
Borax.
Okay.
You could do it.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not a bad idea. Okay, so this is my borax solution right here in this bottle. So
With the emoji face.
we're gonna, do we add a lot at a time or a little at a time?
Oh, a little at a time as you mix it to make it thick.
Good job.
I think I've seen you
Good job.
do it a couple of times.
Good job. Good job. Do we add more or no?
I think it's thick enough.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what do we add?
Color, right? I want to make it colorful.
Okay. What color do you want?
Like ocean water.
Yeah. Get you.
I'll make an ocean slime, dudes. Why, dude?
I'm gonna do that.
Do that. Sorry. Do that. All right. Wait, no kissing.
So we're just gonna add a little at a time, right? Or a lot?
No, a little at a time until we
Yes,
get the
okay.
color that we like.
Yes. Okay. So I add a little drop. Well, it's not that little, but it's okay. So
And
now
another little drop of
a
that
little
one.
drop of this one. Oh, okay.
We want to make it like ocean water, like surfing kind of dude, right? Do that?
I'm not do that.
No.
Okay, what do you think?
Juliet, do that?
You want
It
more?
rhymes.
You want more blue, right? Blue? it's kinda green.
Yeah, it's kind of green.
Yeah.
A little more like ocean water.
Yeah.
So what do we do now?
I dare to add
I mean,
red.
it is a little. It's sticky.
All right, so we have to add some neutralizer.
What's that?
I don't know. We have to add something to make it not sticky. What are we gonna
Okay,
add?
that's borax.
Borax.
You have to add a little more borax. Yeah, it's way too sticky. All right, I gave him a little tip, but it's okay.
I'm just winging this.
Yeah. I mean,
I
you're
see
doing.
you.
Poppy.
Okay, wait.
I'm not Poppy, I'm Dude.
So your name
No,
is Fish
what's your
Man.
name?
My name is Jimbo.
Jimbo. Yeah.
So you're a fish man.
Fishman? No, I'm a surfer dude.
So you like it like this? Okay.
This is the slime our dad made us do.
Yeah.
Well, it actually is kind of it's stretchy if I do it slowly. See that?
Yeah.
I
Pretty
love
cool,
the
the color,
color.
yeah, the color's
Yeah,
cool.
the color is really nice.
Really nice.
It's like ocean water. This is mine now.
No! Please give us a big thumbs up.
And subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed my funny dad.
See you, dudes.
Bye.